Hey everyone, today we're going to be making broccoli feta soup. These are the ingredients you'll need. First, add your olive oil to a soup pot. Then add your aromatic vegetables. This is your onion, celery, minced garlic. Cook those until the onion becomes translucent and starts sweating. Stir it around a few times so that the garlic and vegetables don't burn. Then add your salt and pepper. When all the vegetables are soft, add your chicken broth. Broccoli and orzo pasta. Give that a good stir so the orzo doesn't stick together. Cover your pot and let it sit until the broccoli becomes nice and tender and your orzo is cooked through. Unfortunately, my phone died, so you were not able to see me blending the pasta. I used a handheld blender called an immersion blender, but you can either use a potato masher if you want, or a regular blender. Just batch blend the soup little by little in small amounts so you don't get burned. And it also helps to cool the soup a little bit for maybe about 10 minutes before putting it into the blender. When you're done blending, add your feta cheese, crumble it into your soup, sprinkle with some red pepper flakes if you want, and a squeeze of lemon. Enjoy!